Hi darlings, today I'm going to be sharing with you a delicious vegan baked oat recipe. I make this recipe every single week as it serves my breakfast for a couple of days and all my family loves it. The best of all is that it's very nutritious and it doesn't contain any sugars. So to start with, we are going to need 2 bananas. The riper, the sweeter will be the baked oats. Peel them and transfer them into a big bowl. Now we are going to mash them until you get a thick and creamy puree. Once you get this consistency, let's add 310 ml of plant-based milk. I recommend to use oat or almond milk as they have a mild flavor that won't overpower the other flavors in the recipe. The next ingredient we are going to add is 60 grams of peanut butter. Mix all the ingredients with a whisk until all of them are well combined. And once we have our wet ingredients ready, let's add the dry ones. Add 2 cups of oats to the mixture. I am using quick oats, but you can also use roll oats. That's completely up to you. Add also 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. And now we will add the zest from 1 whole lemon. This is an optional ingredient, but I find it upgrades this recipe. Add it to the rest of the ingredients and mix. And now it's the perfect time to remind you that you can subscribe to my channel, like the video and hit the notification bell so you'll never miss any of my vegan recipes. You can also comment and share my video as this is a really good way to support my work. Many thanks, and now let's go back to the recipe. Now that we have all our ingredients combined, let's transfer the mixture into a tray. Flatten the surface, and now we are going to prepare our topping. Rinse 250 grams of blueberries under cold running water to remove any dirt. If you prefer, you can add other toppings as raspberries, chocolate, or any kind of nuts. Spread the blueberries over the mixture and press them gently into the surface. If you prefer it, you can also add the berries inside the mixture. Now that we have everything ready, it will be time to bake it. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius and bake the oats for around 30-40 minutes. You'll know already when the oats are golden brown and firm to the touch. Let the baked oats cool for a few minutes before slicing and serving. If you have any leftover, you can store it in a container in the fridge for up 3-4 days. And there you have it, a delicious and healthy recipe for vegan baked oats. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.